What's the best thing for a tickling throat? I suspect that you're either referring to globus, which is a sensation where you have a lump in your throat, or it's just like this tickly sensation which makes you cough. For both of them, they can be quite distressing because they're just there. They can get worse, they can vary from day to day, and they are not very pleasant. Before we go any further, I just want to caveat everything I'm about to say by saying if you notice that your symptoms are getting worse, if you get a lump in your throat, if you notice that you have difficulty swallowing or your symptoms aren't improving, go and see a doctor. Two common causes for this can be just a build-up of phlegm at the back of your nasal passageways, which is then discharging into the back of your throat, and that's just like a constant drip. So it's a postnasal drip, and it's leading to that tickling sensation. The second would be reflux. You don't have to have that burning pain where it's coming from just below your rib cage and it's burning pain all the way up towards the back of your throat. It doesn't have to happen like that. It can be silent reflux, which is where the acid is coming up, it's not causing you any pain, but it's causing that tickling sensation at the back of your throat, which then leads you to cough. That can also worsen a postnasal drip. So the way that we want to treat it is by treating the cause. If we have a postnasal drip, we want to try and reduce that by reducing inflammation, reducing the mucus discharge. We can do that by giving nasal steroids, by doing nasal saline rinses, and obviously try and avoid shoving stuff up your nose. Like if you're doing cocaine on a weekly basis, it's probably the reason why you're having that sensation. We'd also say avoid smoking because that can lead to that sensation. Drink way more water. Try and do the lifestyle factors that will help to treat reflux as well. And if you wanted medication for reflux, then the medications can be prescribed by a doctor that will help to reduce the acid production from the stomach and therefore help to reduce those symptoms.